Hello everyone, how are you? Today we shall take the new lesson. Its name is Dick Whittington and his cat. The name of lesson is Dick Whittington and his cat. Let us see this lesson. This is the story of the small boy who was very poor and the cat. Okay. After looking the title, Dick Whittington and his cat, we get a slight idea what may be there in that lesson. There was once a poor boy called Dick Whittington who lived in a small village in the south of England. Dick Whittington, he lived in South England. Where did he live? In South England and in a village. He lived in a village. He had no proper home for both his parents and had died, and he was unkindly treated by many of the villagers. See, he was so poor. One thing. Second thing, he did not have mother and father. He did not have parents. So he was not treated kindly. He was treated very unkindly or badly by other people in that village, by the people in that village. One day Dick overheard someone say that the streets of London were paved with gold, and he decided that he would go there at once and pick his fortune up in gold pieces from the streets, for he thought people might treat him more kindly if he were rich. One day he decided. What did he decide and why did he decide? He overheard that in the London on the roads golds are there everywhere. So he decided to try his luck. He decided to try his luck. So he uh, decided to leave that village, and he thought that if he were rich, what will happen? People from his village, they will treat him very kindly. He was thinking like this because he wanted better treatment from the people. As he overheard means to hear from other people. As he overheard that there were gold on the road of the city London. That's why he decided to try his luck. So young Dick set out to walk to London. He had not gone far when a man in a cart stopped and asked him if he was running away from home. I have no home, Dick answered. I am on my way to London to find my fortune. So he set up to walk to London. He was going to London, and on the way, what happened? One cartman who was driving the cart, he stopped him and asked, "Why are you running? Why are you running from your home?" Then he said, "I have no home. I have no home. I am on the way to London to find my fortune, because to London I am going. I want to try my luck. I want to try my luck," he answered to that person who was driving the cart. "I am going to London myself," said the carter. "Jump up here beside me and we will journey together." The carter said, the person who was driving the cart, he said to Dick, "I am also going to London. Join with me. We will go there together, or we will make journey together. We will travel together." Who said? The carter. carter. The carter means the person who was driving the cart. They arrived in London just before nightfall, and the carter left Dick and made his way to an inn. Inn means just like hotel where there is facility to live and to eat. So the carter, what did he do? He left him in the London after coming London, and he went to the inn. Poor Dick stood alone and looked around him in dismay. Poor Dick, he was disappointed. He was not happy. He had no hope there when he stopped in the London. Why? Dismay. Dismay means he was in great disappointment. He had no hope. He was very sad. Why? Because what did he hear, or what did he listen? That there were gold. There were gold on the road of the London, of the city London. But he did not find anything. Where was that fine gold? All he could see were dirty streets and lots of unfriendly people who had nowhere to sleep. And in the end, he spent the night in corner of alley where he hoped he would come to no harm. He saw there was no gold. Streets were full of dirt. Streets were full of dirt. And people, they were unfriendly. Unfriendly means they were not friendly. They were not friendly means they were not cooperative to him, or they were not loving to him. That's why they were unfriendly. What could he do? He here and there went. At last he felt sleepy and slipped in the corner. Yes, alley. Alley means what? A narrow passage between behind buildings. A narrow passage. He found one passage, and he at night slept there. Poor Dick. The next morning, Dick woke up cold, miserable, and very hungry. As he had come from the village, from cart to London, he traveled, he walked in London. He did not eat anything. And next morning he felt so much hungry. So he wandered around begging for food, but again and again people shouted at him. He was asking for the food as he was hungry, just like beggar.